Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, are you looking for an alarm system that you don't have to pay a monthly fee? Well, then I will recommend this one from SKK. I have to say that we absolutely love this alarm system. It brings everything you need. It brings five door and window sensors. It brings one motion sensor, two controllers, little keypads controllers for you to arm, disarm, or trigger the SOS, and also the home base where it makes the sound. Now, when it comes to the home base or the sound, it is not super loud, and we were actually happy with that because sometimes we do trigger the alarm because we do certain things and we didn't want to be alarming our neighbors. So that was cool. The main reason why we wanted it was to actually get the notifications of when someone arms it, disarms it, or triggers the alarm. So that is really, really cool. And you get all those notifications free with the app. In our case, we actually use the Smart Life app because that's where we have all of our devices. So it works super, super good. So again, if you are looking for an alarm system that it is easy to set up, easy to use, and that you don't have to pay a yearly or monthly fee, I would definitely recommend this one from SKK. But hey, that is just my point of view.